So welcome students. In this question, you're asked to find the radius of the circle whose center is 0, 3 and which passes through the foci of this ellipse. So first let us try to find the foci of this ellipse. We know that the foci are AE, 0. So to find that, let us first find the value of eccentricity is equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square, that is equal to root 7 by 4. Now what is a into e? A is 4. So a into e is 4e is equal to root 7, and the foci are plus or minus root 7, 0. So these are the foci, and this is the center. What is the radius? Radius is nothing but the distance between the foci and the center. Root of 7 plus 9 is equal to root 16 is equal to 4 units. The radius is equal to 4 units. Thank you.